Hey guys, this is Tony with Alliance Specialties and Laser Sales, and we're here with another Motivational Monday. And I'm here with Hillary Coombs from Westminster Tool, and she has a quote that she likes.
Okay, so our company the foundation of our company culture is emotional intelligence, which is embracing curiosity instead of judging, so you can maintain a bit more composure. And my Motivational Monday quote is, "Don't hate what you don't understand." So, have you ever heard that?
I haven't, so you said it, but I really like it.
So, have you ever heard somebody try to recommend a food and you're like, "Ugh, no,"
Yes.
but you're like, "Don't knock it till you try it"?
Yes.
Yeah. So similar
Yeah.
to if somebody made a decision in the business or in life and you don't understand it, before you can judge it, you should try to understand why they made that choice.
I love it. So you can't look at somebody and say that was a terrible idea, a terrible decision, unless you do the research to
Exactly.
really dig in and understand it.
Exactly. For example, when we couldn't purchase a certain piece of equipment,
Yeah.
and it wasn't that we didn't have the money, it was that we had other priorities. But somebody would assume, wait, why can't we buy that? It's cheap. But we just didn't have the money.
Yeah. So there you go. Don't hate what you don't understand. Figure out what it is and then make your own decisions. Thanks, guys.